Cell function. Diffusion is a term you'll hear when it comes to cell function. And that simply means moving something of a high concentration and dispersing it to a lower concentration. If you think about going to a party, when you first get there, where is everybody? They're hanging out with the food and the drink. It's usually real tight and everybody's close together. But as the party goes on, they start to diffuse around the house and maybe out to the yard. So you'll find people in the living room, out back. Osmosis is similar. It's still the movement from high concentration to low, but there's a gatekeeper involved who selectively decides who comes in and out. So think of a nightclub. When you go to a nightclub, there's a bouncer at the door. And if you're the right person to come in, he lets you in. As people leave, he lets more people in. So it's regulated. Some other terms that you'll hear when we talk about cell function are hypotonic and hypertonic. So what happens in a hypotonic situation is that there's more water on the outside of the cell than inside. And on the hypertonic, there's more water on the inside of the cell than out. Any cell in life, in nature, wants to reach a state of equal balance, or isotonic. So what happens in these situations is that the hypotonic solution, the water molecules are going to enter into the cell until they reach a balance. So these will move inside till they're about equal. That reaches isotonic state and they're happy. On the hypertonic situation, it's going to have water leave the cell so that it can reach that isotonic state. A couple more terms you'll hear are solute, which is something dissolved in something else, and solvent is the item doing the dissolving. So if you think about when you have your coffee in the morning and you add sugar, the sugar is the solute and the coffee is the solvent.